Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to manually download and install the latest Windows 11 KB5066835 update for version 25H2, October 2025. If you didn't get the update automatically, or Windows Update is stuck, don't worry, this method works 100%. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Update Catalog website. In the search box, type KB5066835 and press enter. Now you'll see a list of updates. Here's what you need to know: if your PC runs Windows 11 on Intel or AMD, choose the version that says, for x64-based systems. If you're using a newer ARM-based laptop, like Surface Pro X, choose for ARM64-based systems. For most users, you should download the x64-based update. Click the download button next to your version. A new window will open with one or two .msu links. Just click the first link. It's the official Microsoft Update file, around 3 to 4 gigabytes in size. When the download completes, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the .msu file. Windows will open the standalone update installer. Click Yes, wait a few minutes while it installs, and let it finish. Once done, you'll be asked to restart your PC. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows 11 updates, AI tools, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.